Good morning, my dear students. So, here I am back with another new class on rain in summer. And, students, like yesterday, today also I'm going to start this class with the reading of this poem. So, students, let me read out for all of you. Rain in summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoops! How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout across the window pane! It pours and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. So, student, in the last class, we discussed the very first paragraph of this poem, and I hope that you all have well understood, as it is a very simple poem. Now, today we are going to start discussing the next paragraph of this poem, including the first four lines. So, now, student, today uh, now let me give you a short summary of this paragraph. And student, in yesterday's class we got to know that the the poet is describing that how beautiful the rain when it comes in summer season, as it washes off the dust and the heat from the broad and narrow lands of the earth. Now, let me give a short, brief explanation of the next paragraphs to you. So, the poet now telling that when the rain falls from the sky on the roofs of the houses, then it makes a marching sound. It provides a rhythmic note, and the falling raindrops floods out and struggles out when falling from the sky. Here, the poet compares the falling raindrops with the hoofs of the horses. Means, student, hoofs means the foot of the horses. So when the horse walks, it makes a marching sound. Like this way, when the raindrops falls on the house roofs, it also makes a rhythmic and sweet sound. And the raindrops, it comes out of the clouds, of the throat of the clouds, as the cloud was filled with the rainwater, and now at last the rainwater came out of these clouds, making it a lighter one. Means the raindrops spills out of the heavily filled clouds and makes it makes the clouds a more lighter one like the earlier days. So student, this is the main idea that has been provided in this paragraph. The main idea that has been depicted here is the sound, the rhythmic note that provided that comes out with the falling raindrops on the earth. Now student, one last paragraph has been remained here which we shall read tomorrow. Now let me give you some important word meanings from this paragraph. So here the first one is clatter, which means make or cause to make a continuous or rattling sound. Next, tramp, which means marching sound. Next, hoofs, which means the horny parts of the foot of horses. The next, gushes, which means floods. And the last one is spout, which means a tube or lip through which liquid can be poured. So student, that's it. We shall not discuss further today. And student, here is your home assignment for today's class. Please note it down in your classwork copy mentioning today's date. So student, that's it. Thank you so much.